Hello friends, good evening. This is CRAFTOLOGER treasure box 1. So I have mentioned box 1. इस box 1 में आपको क्या क्या मिलने वाला है. इसकी जो MRP है that is worth rupees 2080 rupees and I am giving this box for 1000 rupees free shipping. इसमें मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ इस box के अंदर क्या क्या है. These are some stencils. You can see. काउंट भी कर लेते हैं साथ साथ. 1 2 3, दिस इज 4, दिस इज 5, दिस इज 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and this is 19, and one free gift from my side. This is 20. Total 20 items, and I am giving for 1000 rupees free shipping. This is treasure box number 1. If you want to book, please comment in the comment section and please follow all the rules I have already mentioned. Thank you.